You may have seen more bird species in your area as they migrate up north during spring. Birdwatching can be a good quarantine activity people can do right in their own backyard. Allensburg local Lori Herzig says she sees various birds on her lawn. From yellow-headed blackbirds to European starlings, Lori's husband Alan spends his mornings feeding them with seeds.
It's just enjoyable to have them around, except for the pigeons because they make a mess. But for the most part, just having the birds around and the variety that we do get is interesting.
Besides listening to the chirping and squawking, she also enjoys watching their behaviors.
Just some of the antics they do. The little quails are really funny to watch sometimes because they have the little top knots on their head and they bounce around.
As more people at home join birdwatching, lessons on how to get started are available online. Local bird enthusiast Deborah Esman hosted a free webinar on a beginner's guide.
There's such a huge diversity in the number and types of birds that we have, from woodpeckers to swans to warblers, every size, shape, and color. It is amazing.
Esman, who's lived in the county for 30 years, says she's been lucky to have seen 243 species, many of them in her yard.
For me, I think, birding is kind of like Christmas every day because you never know what's going to show up.
Esman says you can use phone apps to easily identify the birds you're looking at. To learn more about the basics of birdwatching, you can find a link to her webinar on our Facebook page. From Yakima, Mary Park, Central News Watch.